ஊரை விட்டு ஊர் வந்து காதல் கீதல் பண்ணாதீங்க.
உயிரே
என்னை உன்னை எந்தன் வாழ்க்கை துணையாக உயர்கையில் மலை பல சொலைவை ஒன்றாக கடப்போமே. உன்னை தாண்டி எதையும் என்னால் யோசனை செய்ய முடியாதே முடியாதே. அவள் வானவீராக அவள் வண்ணம் வீராக அந்த வானம் வீராக மாறாதோ மாறாதோ நீ ஜோடி போட்டுத்தான் வந்து போனாலும் கண் பட்டு காய்ச்சல் தான் வராதோ வராதோ. கருத்தோங்க கிளப்பி விட்டாங்க இந்த கருத்த மாத்தும் போயால ஒச்சாலாம் நம்மளே ஒரு மிதிக்காத மாவா தெரிக்க விடுங்கோயால.
தக்காளி
கருத்தோங்க கிளப்பி விட்டாங்க மாமா தெரிக்க விடுங்கோயால. ஒச்சாலாம் நம்மளே ஒதுங்கி நிற்காத மாமா தெரிக்க விடுங்கோயால. இந்த நகரம் இப்போதான் மாநகராச்சு அது மாற போது காரணமே நாமாச்சு. தகர கொட்டாதான் தங்கியிருந்தாலும் சென்னையோட அன்னை நமக்கு போந்தானே. கருத்தம் நாங்கள் கிளப்பிட்டாங்க அந்த கருத்தை மாத்துங்கோயால. ஒச்சவங்க நம்மளே ஒதுங்கி நிற்காத மாமா தெரிக்க விடுங்கோயால. நன்றி.
So, of course, it was indeed an awesome performance. Shujit and John, let's have a hand for them. I first met them when I was in my synapse. They helped me out with my performance and everything. Okay, so.
Well, the next performance is something special because it's the beginning of the IMD 16 power. Give it up! Woo! Well, we're going to see power-packed performances of IMD 16 starting from this very team. Well, the dancers over here in this team, I have been knowing them from Transworld and they are indeed fabulous dancers.
So,
that I have ever
Malvika,
seen.
I want to ask you, what's your favorite fruit? What is it?
Orange.
Orange? Of course, it's orange. So our next performance is related to that fruit.
Exactly. So, put your hands together louder for Orange Crush.
For Orange Rush!
What you have to speak for newspaper is? Welcome to Aruna Ice Cream Mayangum Kings of Dance.
இன்பத்தையே நினைச்சிட்டு போயிட்டு இருந்தா அது வாழ்க்கையே கிடையாது, கசந்துடும். துன்பங்க இருக்கோ இருந்துதான் ஆகணும். அதுக்காக துன்பத்தை தேடி போக வேண்டாம். பட் வந்தா ரொம்ப நொந்து போக வேண்டாம். சோதனை வரும், சாதனை எப்போ ஆகும்? நீ சோதனையை சந்திச்சாதாயா சாதனை ஆகும்.
தோத்தாலும் ஜெயிச்சாலும் பாதி வச்சு நம்ம நம்பிக்கையில ஆனா மீதி வச்சு நம்ம நண்பர்கள் விட்டு வெளிய வந்து வீதியில தனியா நின்று சோத்துக்கே கஷ்டப்பட்டோம் இஷ்டப்பட்டு கோயம்புத்தூர் சிங்கப்பட்டி வளர்த்தது சென்னை சிட்டி கேட்டு பாரு என்னை பத்தி தோல்விகள் என்னை சுற்றி நண்பர்கள் ரசிகர்கள் தந்த இந்த பாசம் எவ்வாறு தமிழ் மேல் கொண்ட நேசம் சுவாசம் உலகாயின் தமிழ் மேலே விசுவாசம் அழகவளைய ராமஜாவூர் என்ன வேணா பேசும் உலகம் முழுதும் ஒழிக்கும் எங்கள் கூறல் தோல்வி என்பது நிஜமல்ல
மாமே
பீட்டர் அக்காக்கு நம்மள பத்தி தெரியல அபி தேக்கோ చూపిస్తాను
Bad girl, no swallow nothing. Word to the Dalai Lama. He know I'm a fashion killer. Word to John Galliano. He cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no. I'm that bitch and he know. Like how your wife and needs starch. You don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year. We don't get blimps for that. Cause the gang still cold. We don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't link chimps for that. I'm
All the girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a seat, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la, drink, swalla la la, shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la, drink, swalla la la.
Young Money, JT.
குமரிகள் குமைந்து கிடக்கும் இந்த அண்டப்பரத்திற்குள் பாட வேண்டிய ராகமாயுது அடிக்கிற அடியில் தாரை தப்பட்டைகள் கிழிந்து தொங்க வேண்டாம் கிளப்புக்கள்
ఇంగ్లీషులోన దండ పెట్టనెప్పుడు తేట తెలుగులో మీకు వందనం ఫేసు క్రీము గట్ర పుయ్యలేదు ఎప్పుడు నాకు ఇష్టమంట పసుపు చందనం సెల్లు నంబరే లేదు నాకు అసలే డోరు నంబరే మీకు ఇస్తలే సెంటు బాటిలే ముట్టనైన ముట్టలే సన్న జాజులంటే సెట్టు మోజులే ఏస్తారు హోటల్ బొట్టు పెట్టి పిలిచిన పరుగు తీస్తలే డిస్కోలు కొబ్బరి డెప్పులెట్టు గుట్టిన ఆవి తూపులోనే మేళమెడతలే ఎందుకంటే నేను పక్కా లోకల్ నేను పక్కా లోకలో నేను వాడే గాజులు కరైకల్లన్నీ ఓడమాసు లెక్కల పక్కా లోకల్ నేను పక్కా లోకలో నేను వాడే గాజులు కరైకల్లన్నీ ఓడమాసు
Oh my God, this was indeed awesome. Oranges is what they call yourself, okay? How many oranges are you? 4 oranges? You guys have 4 oranges with a little bit of absolute vodka in it. Yeah? So, how long did it took you to prepare this thing, bro?
It took for us 5 days to prepare till 2 to 3 in the night.
Okay, take a breath. What's your name? Name yourself.
Sarath Kumar.
Sarath Kumar Swalala. So, introduce yourself, each one of you.
I'm Sharon.
Come on, you're not just an orange,
I'm Sharon.
she's Sharon and not an orange. What about you?
I'm Navya.
And Lavya. Give a big round of hand for them. Lavya, Sharon and...
Sir,
Okay, thank you all for your performance. Orange Crushers, 4 oranges. So, coming on to a serious note, how many of you guys read newspapers? I guess none, right? So now the newspaper term is gonna get very much interesting for us now, because in Philippines, in our college, we've been trying this thing for a long time to have our own newspaper. But it was not possible because of the fund and all those kind of issues. Now that we finally have our own newspaper in our IMD section, isn't that beautiful? So, they are gonna be publishing a newspaper every 6 months, and we are gonna get to have the newspaper by them. And we have our IMD treasurer, Rasul Anna, who's gonna talk about the newspaper and gonna explain us how this thing is going to be working.
Hello and good evening, everyone. This is my present greetings for the entire IMD family who gather here for the special occasions. And on this special day, the IMD Council has accepted to launch its first ever IMD newsletter. This is the first time that has been implicated after many attempts. And this present council is very glad to show that. And this day, on this special day, we like to launch it in front of you, the international students. And one important point of that is we are launching our own liquidation on our newsletter. Since was not possible for the past council, and in this term we are ready to launch for its liquidation in over that. And it consists of all the IMD activities of the months. And the newsletter will be launched twice, and the newspaper will launch once in 2 months. And the first edition will contain the estimated proposal of the IMD Council of that. And I would like to call the editor-in-chief of the editorial club to present over here and have some words over the newsletter.